Everybody, this is a cold start on the 84 Mazda RX-7. It's about 47 degrees today, and choke doesn't work, so this is going to be interesting. Let's go ahead and see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That was the start. Let her sit for a sec. She's a bit dirty, like last time. Now heat's not going to be too unbearable in her when I get her running because it's freezing. I mean, very cold. The battery's not gonna like this. That truck battery. It needs a jump. Oh my god. Got the jumpers on her. And it still won't start. Ay, ay, ay. Jesus Christ. If this was a daily driver, I'd be so pissed right now. Oh my god. She does not like the cold. She is very unhappy.
Sorry. Get that fucking carton out of here. Take this, put it over there.
Alright. Do you have a longer extension?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Alrighty. Oh. Foot to the floor or?
No, you don't need to do nothing.
My uncle knows what he's doing. The choke doesn't work, so he's kind of choking it out right now. Radio started working. Fuel lights on. Doesn't have any power steering anymore. The pump went out, so it's more fun to drive.